check the engineering, and things are looking real good. It's looking great. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little run around while I've been gone, while I've been missing, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned.
So we got the twin turbo kit on. These are 2 wastegates for the turbos, and then obviously we got the turbos here. The turbo drain that goes up to the oil pump up here in the front by the crank, and then this is the oil feed lines for the turbo that route right above where the oil filter is, and then this is the oil pump setup.
All right.
And then this is the bigger race intercooler with the charger going to the cold side.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not a lot to it, right?
Yeah, it's good kit though. It makes it power.
Yeah. That's what's up. How much you guessing? How much horsepower are you thinking? Just a guess.
Say 1050, 1080
Oh, wow.
on E85.
Yeah. Yeah.
Especially with the built motor.
Yeah.
I'd say 1050.
Yeah. That's where, there you have it, folks. I wasn't thinking that high, but yeah, there you go. All right. All right. So, yeah. So, pretty much the turbo's underneath. It goes through the intercooler. Then it comes back up, down through under the headlight. The wastegate right there. Comes back up and through the intake. Got a Hellcat intake. I mean, a Hellcat throttle body. 392 intake. Alright, so here's the double adjustable coilovers. Right there. Turns pretty easy. Alright, so like I was saying before, here's the 64mm turbos from Helion. You got the hot side right here, you know what I'm saying, it's hooked up through the exhaust. It's still pretty warm. And then the cold side right here turns the turbine, which comes through here, and it goes through this, and it goes through this inner chiller, and then that too, like I said before, goes to the throttle body. It's pretty cool. Hey, so quick question. This is a wastegate, right?
A blow-off valve.
Blow-off valve.
The wastegates
All
are those 2.
right here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, man. And the kit comes with mid pipes, right? With the mid, yeah, all that stuff. Yeah. So, and then the new headers that come with the. So technically, the exhaust manifold is almost really no different than the factory exhaust manifold, kind of.
Yeah, it's just a little bit different design. Like,
Yeah.
it's more square than round.
Yeah. That's what's up. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, man. It's going to be another quick little video. Nothing special, nothing big. You know, just another little quick video. Looking at the turbos once again. And that's it. Oh, so this is for the oil, and this is the what is this called right here?
It's an oil drain, and it goes up to the oil pump that's up there.
Okay, okay. Cool.